I don't know. There is a package, I don't know what it is, but I'm super duper excited. Guys, look. I got my Pokemon cards. I'm gonna open it up. So first off, we have a Pikachu Mega, I don't know. I'm just gonna show you the cards. I'm not really gonna name them, but we have that one, and then we have the background. Sick, cool background. Golden. And we have a Charizard. A very, very cool Charizard. Look at this. The background. And I also have this guy. He looks cool and sick. Love him. And then, guys, I got Pikachu. I'm gonna put him over here. And then let's see what I have next in my box. A dragon. Look at all those sick dragons. Charizards and all these different kinds. Hey guys, I need to tell you something. You can collect them if you go on Amazon and search black Pokemon cards. And then you can make a video too. So let's get back to the video. We have that. And we have another one coming in. Look at that sick card. And all the cards, guys, all the cards look like this. Look like that. That's the background. And we have this card. And next up, we have, guys, this is worth, hey guys, I'm Meowth. And I have a Charizard GX. Sorry guys. And then next up we have a rare. I am going to put this card hang on guys, let me fix that. Okay. And then next up we have I don't know how to pronounce this. But you can read it. Okay. Next up we have Charizard V. And then I'm gonna figure out a spot where I can put this. I'm gonna put it right here. Right there. And then I have Charizard V again, but it's a different Charizard. Set him right here. And those picture things, but and then I have him. Put him right here. But please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna put him right here and right there. And then I'm going to put Pikachu VMAX. So cool. I'm going to put him right here. And I am going, whoa, I've never seen this card. Looks so cool though. I'm gonna set him right there. And then, Ooh, Charizard XGX. Set him right there. And then, hang on, let me fix him. And then I have this strange looking thingy. Ah, my card fell. I also got Pikachu V. Guys, I ran out of room. I cannot figure out where I'm going to put them. I'm just going to stack them up right here. And then I have, ooh, Garbor. Garbor. I think that's what it says. I don't know. Ooh, Charizard V. Charizard V. Oh! Charizard OX 560 attack, 60 times 60 damage. Look at this card. It's so good. Ah. Card fell. But that's okay. Because next up I have Blastoise. And then I have, next up coming, hang on, let me fix him. And then I have, look at it, oh God. Look at this card. Look at all these cards that I've collected so far. And these over here, all down there. I know, guys, I've made a lot of Pokemon cards. I wasn't used to Pokemon cards back in the old days. But guess what? I have been collecting them. I didn't understand Pokemon at the time when I didn't even know what it was. And then my good friend of mine gave me one Pokemon, and then I started to understand it more. And I have a Charizard card. I'm just gonna go set him right there. And I have a V. I have him. I have Eevee. Eevee. I have Eevee. And then next up I have Gyarados. Gyarados. Set him on over there. Charizard VMAX. Guys, if you see any cards that you have, comment down below whatever card you have that down in the comments below. And if you have any of these rainbows or any of those that I showed you, like including this side, I have another Gyarados right there. But look at this. I have another section I've already showed you that. So I'm going to keep on doing it. I have this cool card. Guys, if you see me and if you see a person familiar, walk up to them and ask, "Are you Luke, the YouTuber?" And if you come up to me, I'd say yes. But if it's someone else, look at this out. Look at this. This is worth $3 right here for just one card. Whoa! Charizard GX! Look at that, guys and girls. It's very rare to get that. And look at this card. I am going to show these to my family, cousins, everyone. I'm going to make 2 more channels of my golden and silver cards. So check that out. A Charizard V! Charizard V! Hey guys, I'm sorry. Guys and girls, I'm sorry if I'm being so loud, but looks like that's all for today. Look at the sick background. I'm going to close it up right now. Peace out.